Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 88 to 98 K1500. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's bed. We show how to do this in a video, link below. Step 4. Begin punching out the rivets retaining the rear spring hanger. Support the vehicle and lower the axle. Followed by removing the rear crossmember bolt from the bottom of the rail. Step 5. Begin cleaning it free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, while still maintaining enough material to weld back onto. Step 6. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Step 7. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area and tack weld the part to the frame. While following proper welding procedures, begin welding the part around all edges. Step 8. Lower your vehicle back down and reinstall your bed, shock, your exhaust, gas tank, and you're done.